While the cost of living keeps going up, the price of robots is plummeting. As concerns mount about artificial intelligence decimating white-collar work, a new wave of advanced robots has emerged that could shape tomorrow's physical workforce. Just a year ago, the Chinese company Unitree's G1 humanoid robot's $16,000 price tag was considered shockingly low. Now the industry finds itself in a race to the bottom, under mounting pressure to integrate AI-powered robotics into daily life. As tensions flare between the US and China, robotics firms are locked in a price war as they undercut each other in hopes of capturing early market share. For the past year, Chinese companies like Unitree and Engine AI have dominated the affordable robotics market. Western counterparts have adapted, embracing 3D printing, off-the-shelf components, and open-source designs to reduce costs and accelerate development. This is MicroFactory, a robotic system for electronics assembly that fits in a box about the size of a home aquarium.
It's a robotic arms within a box frame designed to automate repetitive manual work. With this robot, you will soon no longer need to assemble products in other countries.
The San Francisco startup has opened pre-orders for the next generation version of the system, aiming for pricing around $5,000. The cost to register interest is $50 and is fully refundable. Backed by the early-stage startup Incubator Founders, Inc., entrepreneur Igor Kulikov says he developed MicroFactory as a useful general-purpose alternative to humanoid robots.
You can use these copies of the arms to show AI model what it needs to do, and it will generalize from this example.
It automates repetitive manual tasks like placing, soldering, and handling components. MicroFactory is built for applications like printed circuit board assembly, precision soldering of small components on circuit boards, cable assembly and routing, pick and place operations, light screwing and fastening, and teleoperated lab work. MicroFactory is geared towards small to mid-sized manufacturers, startups, and research and development labs. It's positioned as a way to scale production without the overhead of traditional factory setups. MicroFactory's introduction comes amid a surge of large-scale United States manufacturing investments. Over the next few years, compact robotics platforms could fill critical gaps in the supply chain, reduce lead times, and facilitate localized production clusters around industrial hubs. Before MicroFactory, Kulikov co-founded BitLighter, a startup that developed a portable lighting device tailored for photographers and videographers. Hugging Face says it plans to bring the entry price into humanoid robotics to a record low. The highly influential artificial intelligence company collaborated with the Robot Studio, a French firm founded by Rob Knight in 2006 that specializes in biologically inspired robotic hardware. The full-sized robotic humanoid, called Hope JR, is entirely open source. It's built with off-the-shelf components and 3D printed parts. The robot has a reported 66 degrees of freedom for complex movements, bipedal locomotion, and object manipulation. The robot has not publicly demonstrated its walking capabilities yet. Remy Kadine, Hugging Face's principal research scientist, said on the X social media platform that the robot has trained to walk in simulation. The next step is to transfer the capabilities to the physical robot. Outfitted with dexterous hands, Hope JR can be controlled remotely using specialized gloves that replicate the wearer's hand movements. Industry observers suggest that Hugging Face is offering the robot at near-cost pricing to encourage widespread adoption and community-driven development. The robot is designed to integrate with Hugging Face's Le Robot platform, which offers AI models and datasets for robotics development. Hugging Face also unveiled Reachy Mini, a compact, desktop-friendly humanoid robot. Reachy Mini is a scaled-down version of the $70,000 full-size version developed by Pollen Robotics, the Bordeaux startup Hugging Face acquired earlier this year. Pricing is estimated between $250 and $300, depending on tariffs. Hugging Face plans to start shipping both robots by the end of 2025. The demand for low-cost humanoid robots is more than evident. Palo Alto-based K-Scale Labs paused pre-orders for its open-source flagship humanoid robot called K-Bot due to overwhelming demand. The startup says it will resume accepting orders once its hardware officially launches. Existing orders will be honored on a first-come, first-served basis. The general-purpose humanoid is priced just under $9,000 and geared toward developers, researchers, and hobbyists who want to build and test real-world applications. Standing 1.4 meters, the robot possesses actuators that deliver 120 Newton-meters of torque and supports swappable attachments for different tasks. Meanwhile, K-Scale plans to offer its 0th bot soon for under $1,000 through a Kickstarter campaign. The startup is also developing a model called the M-Bot that's about 70 centimeters tall and priced under $3,000 for early buyers. While the Z-Bot isn't as sturdy as high-performing models from Unitree and Engine, it fills a gap by offering a relatively affordable, developer-friendly humanoid platform. Researchers from UC Berkeley have a similar goal with their lightweight humanoid that can be built with 3D printed parts for under $5,000. Meanwhile, in China, Unitree, which started the robotics price war in 2024, is teasing an upcoming humanoid robot model priced under 10 grand. The Hangzhou-based firm posted a teaser of a silhouette of a humanoid robot on social media. Little is known other than the reported 26 degrees of freedom. Unitree's entry humanoid robot starts at around $16,000, with 23 to 43 degrees of freedom depending on the configuration. Its full-sized humanoid robot, the H1, starts around $90,000 and is intended for high-performance applications. The dexterity suggests potential for research and educational use, light industrial tasks, and human-robot interaction studies. The price point could mean more participants in upcoming robot combat events like the first-of-its-kind match Unitree and CMG just held. 4 G1 humanoids faced off in one-on-one matches consisting of 3 2-minute rounds. Unitree hosted the spectacle near its new 10,000 square meter factory in Hangzhou, which launched in April 2025 to meet growing demand for the firm's humanoid and quadrupedal robots. For more on that, check the related video.